Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. We prepared this bed, put the cattle panel piece up, got it wired in and staked. Now we're going to get some peppers in. Now, what I've got here is 1, 2, 3 or 4 better bells and an Adjavarsky. I've got a lot more peppers coming, but you got to go with the ones that are ready to plant right now, and that would be these guys. So I'm going to get them dug in, and going to add a little holly tone into the bottom. Any of the tones will work. I'm guessing holly tone is probably what Costco had on sale, since they have about the best price anywhere on, and they're all pretty much the same, so I go for whatever Costco's pushing. Works for me. That was a better bell. This one is a YOLO Wonder, another bell pepper. Fertilizer. Dig it in some. Next one up here is going to be a Adjavarsky. That's a really good, tasty sweet pepper, but it's a tall, thin. It's like a YOLO, like a bell pepper that got missed out on the cross with a banana pepper or something. You'll know them when you see them, and they are just outstanding. You get twice as much pepper as you do with a bell pepper, and it is just as sweet. So we got the first ones at Costco, and it was like, these are fantastic. So I ordered a couple of kinds of seeds for these. See which ones will work. We got another better bell. Last one here is another better bell. They seem to have all reached the right size at the right time. For the last better bell, fertilizer. And there we go. So I got those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got room for a couple more when they're ready. The rest of my peppers are still pretty small. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Getting some more bell peppers planted. Thank you for watching.